This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include heated side view mirrors, front and rear reading lights, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, dusk-sensing headlights, a CD player, and cruise control. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
TedBrittFord Sales is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1165 Main Street in Fairfax.